Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited. So many of you have joined my channel. Thank you so much. So today I'll bring this new video for you guys where you will learn how to draw these faces. And if you have any other requests, please drop it down in the comment section. And I would really like to make videos for you guys and really like to consider those topics for my future video. So let's start. For this video you need paper, pen, a marker or any pen whatever you are comfortable with, and some small cards if you want to make like this, or you can use any other paper. So here I'm just showing what we all going to draw today, and you just grab your materials and start with me. So first we'll do some exercise, some practice for lines, and then we move forward. So for any face doodle, you need 2-3 elements. First is the face body. So you can take any shape, even triangle, square, circle, anything. As you can see in the video, I have taken a square. Then I just left the top part. And in the second step, I have just add some curve line for the hairstyle. And next element which we need is the emotion. So you just choose any emotion. For my emotion list, I already made a video on that. You can go and check out in the description below. So you can choose any type of eyes and any types of mouth and combine both together, and you will write it out what type of emotion you are getting, or you can even just scribble a little bit of if you need any other type of emotion, or you can just comment down in below. I can create a video for you guys. So here I'm just practicing some emotion so that which I can use in my further doodle. So next thing is for hairstyle. This is just a simple drawing of ponytail. So as today we are going to see girl face doodle, so we need this. Okay, so just try this at least 2 or 5 times so that you get a hang of it. Now second thing is just these hairstyle which we going to hairstyle lines which we going to use a lot also. And the second, for eyes you need this U, inverted U, for making eyes. So it just eye uh, practice. Now we'll see more lines or more shapes which you can use. So the second one is this also. This is also a very nice idea that you to make two lines parallel to each other, or you can make them as an angular also, and then add a V, U or any oval in the end, and keep one side open in the top one so that we can add hairstyle to that. And if you need a hairstyle video, just comment it down and I'll make one for you. Okay, so you can see I'm trying different face structure. You can choose any one, then go for the hairstyle and then go for the emotion, and you are ready and you are good to go for your character doodle. Okay, so we'll see some more shapes that you need to practice. Yes, you need to practice lines also, because line is a very important part for any art, in doodling mostly. So you can just see and practice and observe types of line, different types of line, so that you get a very good flow of that and you never messed it up. Okay, just practice different mouth shapes also. Just try whatever I'm drawing in the video. So I made all these characters. I was just looking into these character and trying to take out those elements which we need in the future. So here I'm just practice some mouth, some eyebrow lines and few more basic shapes. Just grab another sheet and start drawing with me as you see in the video. First we draw a U like this. Now you can always bold your lines as per your liking, then add some hairstyle As you can see, I am doing right now basic one. So just go and be patient with your line and draw the same as I am drawing in the video. So the ponytail shape can get from the leaf, then a neck area. Now we'll do the emotion. So you can pick any emotion and you can just add to the face shape. So I have a 2 or 3 videos related to emotions. I'll link that in a description box. You can choose from that. Okay. Now for making it detail it out, we will add some lines inside it. So just try to be consistent with your line and try to make them as closely as you can. And do share your creations with me. You can send me an email or you can tag me on Instagram, that is @creativeclass2. So these are small star which I'm adding it. Now you can fill colors also, or you can just leave it like this. Yes. Now we move to the second one. For this you need to make a line first, then add a V shape. Now the neck area. Now again for hairs, those wavy lines. So for any hairstyle, you can observe around you what type of hair you see, and you can just try to convert them into a simplest shape and then make a doodle out of it. Now just give a detailing to your emotion, and you can always support your doodle with some text. So whatever you see here, you find a girl is happy, or might be she is talking, or might be she is meeting to someone. So you can just write something there, whatever you like your character is saying. Okay, and always give a detailing to your figure. Yes. Now just here I am writing hi. Hello everyone. Please do subscribe my channel. This is the third one. See, you will see the concept is the same. I'm just changing a shape of a face. I'm trying to work with different shapes like rectangle, square, triangle, circular. Okay. Now adding a emotion, and you can add some accessories like crown, hairband, hair clips, anything, whatever you feel like. And don't worry about how it comes, just practice a little bit, see what is there around you, and then you will get an idea. Okay, you can even pause this video and see what you are making, or you can add your own emotions. Try to mix match different hairstyle with different shapes, you will get a new one. And if you want to see video more like that, then do let me know. See, now quickly we are ready with the third one also. Yeah, you can always give a thickness to your outer line also, or anything. If you find it you want to work with different markers, you can outline the main element and then keep the thin marker for the detailing. So these are 3. Please do subscribe my channel. And this is something which I was trying to make. Someone is angry, someone is screaming. Yeah, so just need a 2 angle lines, then a curve line to join to make a face, round edges. Yeah, and always remember that in doodling whatever you want to make, try to give round edges, don't go for the sharp edges. If you're going for a character or a doodle, just go with the round edges, you will see the difference. So whatever the story you have with it, you can write that, you can put a bandage over it or any cross, anything. Just add your own personal experience to your doodle and it will just pop out. Always try to add your own element in any form, like in terms of emotion, might be developing new shape. So here I just want to tell you I'm coming up with a new video. You will get to know very soon. So please do subscribe my channel for that. So just add your own element to your doodle. And one more thing, that never ever afraid of making a mistake. You will learn from that. As you can see in the video right now, I just by mistake I made those lines and now I'm filling up that area. You can always come up with some solution for that. So just go with the flow and enjoy your doodling. And do tag me with your creation. I'm really looking forward to see your creation. So please do share with me and do drop down the topics which you want to see in future. So please do share. Thank you. And there's one more sketch is left, so please give it a try to that also and do subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you everyone for supporting me. I hope you guys like the video. And this is the last sketch. Just try it out with me and I really looking forward to see your own creation. Thank you. Bye.